Welcome to How to Solve. Now we can create custom memoji and send it from Apple Keyboard. Start customizing thousands of combination in your memoji. To create, open Message app on iPhone, start a conversation or create a new one. Here you can see memojis option in app drawer. Tap on it to open memoji pane. Now tap on the plus to add or create a new memoji. First is the default face. Apply your skin color from 17 colors with color intensity. Next is select freckles. Now select hairstyle what you like. Also a great hair color option and hundreds of hair design. Next is choose brows. Select from 17 unique colors. Also forehead mark, brow piercings, select your favorite. Now pick your eye look and make your memoji very beautiful with amazing color options and looks. Next is select head from agent shape. The same way you have to select your nose with a ring or without. Mouth expression makes your face sexy with lipstick. Pick ears design with mix and match options. 17 colors option with earrings and audio options are Airpods or Bluetooth headphone. Next is select facial hair from hundreds of design that you select for a match with your face. Eyewear, select glasses and scroll to find eye patch with colors option. Headwear with multiple color option. It's done. Next is Re-edit creates memoji on your iOS device. Open memoji full screen view, and scroll to last until you see more option. You can make any kind of big change in existing memoji and save it by a tap on Done button. And the same way you can duplicate the custom memoji for backup purpose or make some modification purpose. Last is delete memoji. Anytime you can create new or old memoji that you don't like and disturbing you. Hope you enjoyed my tips and guide on new memoji settings for use from Apple Keyboard.